Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have cyclohexanone and you have ester at fourth position. You are reacting with sodium borohydride and sodium borohydride with lithium chloride. On the second reaction, you are giving sodium borohydride and lithium chloride. You should find what will be the final product. The starting metal has two carbonyl which will reduce, that is chemoselective reduction. Here sodium borohydride reactivity is the real question. Sodium borohydride is less reactive because boron hydrogen bonds are stronger due to the boron electronegativity. On the same time, reactivity of ketone is higher than ester, so sodium borohydride cannot reduce ester because of weak ability as well as carbonyl reactivity. So only ketone is reduced with sodium borohydride. If you use lithium chloride, it can activate the carbonyl due to the metal oxygen bond. So positive charge on the carbonyl increase. So it is reactive. If you use lithium chloride, it can reduce both carbonyl and ester. You have the final product. The concept you have to learn here is if you use lithium chloride with sodium borohydride, reactivity of sodium borohydride increases. It can reduce ester. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.